Do you watch documentaries? Do you watch documentaries? Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food? Do you enjoy going to concerts? Do you enjoy going to concerts? Do you play any musical instruments? Do you play any musical instruments? Do you have a favorite TV show? Do you have a favorite TV show? Does she work as a teacher? Does she work as a teacher? Does he have any siblings? Does he have any siblings? Does it snow in your city? Does it snow in your city? Does she speak more than one language? Does she speak more than one language? Does he play video games in his free time? Does he play video games in his free time? Can you help me understand this concept? Can you help me understand this concept? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you show me how to use this app? Can you show me how to use this app? Can you fix the leaky faucet? Can you fix the leaky faucet? Can you lend me a hand with these groceries? Can you lend me a hand with these groceries? I want to learn to play the guitar. I want to learn to play the guitar. I want to try skydiving someday. I want to try skydiving someday. I want to start my own business. I want to start my own business. I want to learn to speak French fluently. I want to learn to speak French fluently. I want to travel around the world. I want to travel around the world. Do you follow a daily routine? Do you follow a daily routine? Do you attend family gatherings? Do you attend family gatherings? Do you like to take photographs? Do you like to take photographs? Do you go for regular checkups? Do you go for regular checkups? Do you enjoy going to the theater? Do you enjoy going to the theater? Does it get hot in the summer where you live? Does it get hot in the summer where you live? Does she enjoy reading mystery novels? Does she enjoy reading mystery novels? Does he live in a big house? Does he live in a big house? Does it rain a lot in the spring? Does it rain a lot in the spring? Does she use social media regularly? Does she use social media regularly? Can you speak louder, please? Can you speak louder, please? Can you meet me at the library? Can you meet me at the library? Can you play the guitar? Can you play the guitar? Can you dance salsa? Can you dance salsa? Can you cook Italian food? Can you cook Italian food? I want to adopt a puppy. I want to adopt a puppy. I want to buy a house. I want to buy a house. I want to learn to cook gourmet meals. I want to learn to cook gourmet meals. I want to volunteer at a homeless shelter. I want to volunteer at a homeless shelter. I want to write a novel. I want to write a novel. Do you participate in community events? Do you participate in community events? Do you keep a journal? Do you keep a journal? Do you prefer reading fiction or non-fiction? Do you prefer reading fiction or non-fiction? Do you like to go fishing? Do you like to go fishing? Do you take vitamins or supplements? Do you take vitamins or supplements? Does he like to cook dinner for his family? Does he like to cook dinner for his family? Does it take long to get to your workplace? Does it take long to get to your workplace? Does she have a favorite movie genre? Does she have a favorite movie genre? Does he enjoy playing basketball on weekends? Does he enjoy playing basketball on weekends? Does it bother you when it's noisy? Does it bother you when it's noisy? Can you drive me to the airport? Can you drive me to the airport? Can you call me back later? Can you call me back later? Can you clean the windows? Can you clean the windows? Can you babysit my children? Can you babysit my children? Can you water the plants while I'm away? Can you water the plants while I'm away? I want to take up photography as a hobby. I want to take up photography as a hobby. I want to improve my public speaking skills. I want to improve my public speaking skills. I want to learn to dance salsa. I want to learn to dance salsa. I want to visit all the national parks. I want to visit all the national parks. I want to become more organized. I want to become more organized. Do you enjoy window shopping? Do you enjoy window shopping? Do you watch sports on TV? Do you watch sports on TV? Do you have a favorite holiday destination? Do you have a favorite holiday destination? Do you practice any martial arts? Do you practice any martial arts? Do you enjoy solving puzzles? Do you enjoy solving puzzles? Does she listen to music while working? Does she listen to music while working? Does he take the bus to work? Does he take the bus to work? Does it feel cold in this room? Does it feel cold in this room? Does she have a good sense of humor? Does she have a good sense of humor? Does he exercise at the gym? Does he exercise at the gym? Can you recommend a good movie to watch? Can you recommend a good movie to watch? Can you sing a song for us? Can you sing a song for us? Can you help me find my keys? Can you help me find my keys? Can you write a recommendation letter for me? Can you write a recommendation letter for me? Can you check the weather forecast? Can you check the weather forecast? I want to spend more time with my family. I want to spend more time with my family. I want to learn to meditate. I want to learn to meditate. I want to save money for retirement. I want to save money for retirement. I want to run a marathon. I want to run a marathon. I want to learn to code. I want to learn to code. Do you like to listen to podcasts? Do you like to listen to podcasts? Do you prefer to exercise indoors or outdoors? Do you prefer to exercise indoors or outdoors? Do you follow a specific diet? Do you follow a specific diet? Do you enjoy spending time outdoors? Do you enjoy spending time outdoors? Do you have a favorite season? Do you have a favorite season? Does it smell good in the kitchen? Does it smell good in the kitchen? Does she know how to fix a car? Does she know how to fix a car? Does he prefer to read ebooks or physical books? Does he prefer to read ebooks or physical books? Does it look beautiful at night? Does it look beautiful at night? Does she enjoy going for long walks? Does she enjoy going for long walks? Can you take a message for me? Can you take a message for me? Can you attend the meeting on my behalf? Can you attend the meeting on my behalf? Can you fix my computer? Can you fix my computer? Can you pick up my dry cleaning? Can you pick up my dry cleaning? Can you teach me how to knit? Can you teach me how to knit? I want to start a blog about travel. I want to start a blog about travel. I want to learn to play chess. I want to learn to play chess. I want to eat healthier. I want to eat healthier. I want to learn about astronomy. I want to learn about astronomy. I want to donate to charity regularly.